Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to All-Star Toyota in Baton Rouge. Today I have the pleasure of showing you guys the new 2020 Tundra and the 2020 Tacoma. Let's get started. Alright, y'all, so this is an SR5 TSS Tundra. One of the newest things and one of my favorite things that has come on the 2020 Tundras is going to be the Apple CarPlay, also available with Android Auto. Another thing that the SR5 has actually added is optional leather seats, which is something they haven't done before, which is definitely interesting and really good for the consumer. Apple CarPlay is really amazing. It makes the Tundra have GPS without having to have integrated GPS. So what that means is instead of paying a whole bunch of more money for GPS that you're never going to use, you have the same GPS that you would use on your phone. So I can say, hey Siri, get me to the nearest McDonald's.
The nearest one I found is McDonald's, which averages 1 star and is inexpensive. Let me know if you want more information. And
that's pretty easy. Everybody knows how to use Siri, and I think it's just an all-around new upgrade and something new for the Tundras, and everybody's going to enjoy it. So let's get to the next part. Alright, another cool thing about the Tundra is going to be this SOS Safety Connect that is new on all the models. It is now standard on all the Tundra models across the board. Basically, it's there for you in case you get in a collision. 24/7 monitoring, so that if you get in a collision, somebody's going to help you out, get the proper responders to you as quick as possible. So that's a new feature in the Tundras that I think is important. Safety comes first always. Alright, y'all, now you're done with me, let me pass it on to Jake. He's going to show you everything about the 2020 Tacoma.
Hey, welcome to All-Star Toyota. My name's Jake. I have the pleasure to show you the 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Let's hop in. Very easy to have the Android Auto started. All you have to do is plug in your Android-based phone, unlock it, let it link up. It'll say connected. It'll start rolling. All you have to do then from there is press menu, Android Auto, and there you go. You have your Google Maps ready to go. You actually have Spotify, Google Play Music. If you have Apple Music, you can still play it. Pandora, Playbooks if you're like listening to ebooks while you drive. You can also have all your reminders set up for you. So like, okay Google, what calendar events do I have today?
There's one entry today. At 6:30 p.m., you have appointment Larry.
And then it just helps you to keep your eyes on the road rather than being looking straight down at your screen. You also have Safety Connect, which is a great Toyota feature they've added to the 2020s. You also have great features like parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, QI wireless charger. If your phone's dead and you don't have a plug-in, you can literally just take your phone and plug it, and it'll start charging right there. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day, and see you soon at All-Star Toyota.